Hello everyone, this is Yvette from Easy Meals by Yvette. Please join me today as I will be preparing a double-decker sandwich for my son. He's very hungry and I'm going to show you exactly what you need. You're going to need some cheese of your choice and some lunch meat. Today I am using turkey slices, and you're going to need some lettuce, avocado, and tomato slices, and you're also going to need 3 pieces of sandwich bread of your choice. Today I am using this potato bread, which is very delicious. It's his favorite. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, my son likes mayonnaise on his sandwich. So just spread the mayo. You could toast it if you want to. I'm just going to do it the easy way. So you just start stacking. Okay. You put the cheese. Next, your lunch meat. Put as much as you want. You put another slice of cheese if you're a cheese person. Some avocado, which gives it a very creamy flavor. And next, your tomato slices and your lettuce. You grab your next piece of bread, put some more mayo. Okay, you top it off, and then you put some mayo on top, and you continue to do the same process all over again. And that's all you do. It's a very simple sandwich. It's very filling, and kids love it, especially when they're starving and it's summer. It's very hot out there. Here where we live in California, it's been 104 lately, so I don't feel like turning on the stove or the oven. Wow. Here's our sandwich. Isn't it beautiful? So this is the final product. Doesn't that look delicious? This should be enough for a 21-year-old. I hope this is enough for my son. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and enjoy your sandwich, double-decker. Bye-bye.